Hello, hello, hello. This is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor from the Deeds Group at RE/MAX, and I am super excited to be here this morning at the Mansfield Mission's grand opening for their food pantry. A lot of our community, I don't even know if they know what this amazing organization is doing in our community. So I have some very special people here who are working very hard right now, and I would like for them to tell us a little bit about what Mansfield Mission does and why we're here this morning. So this is Lindsay Trook. She is the Director of Development here at Mansfield Mission. So if you'll just share with us a little bit about your center and what you guys do.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Well, we're really excited to have you all as partners going into 2019. We know that there's a lot of great things ahead with this partnership. So we really appreciate y'all being here this morning. It is the grand opening of our new market. So it is now a client choice market. So clients come in and shop our market so they can choose things that their family really wants and that their family really needs. And if they have dietary needs, we can meet those as well. We really want to focus on complete meals. And in addition to our market, just to say a little bit about the center and what we're doing here in the community, we have programs that address many needs in our community. Clients come in if they're in crisis, and we can help them, meet them where they are if they're facing eviction or utilities being cut off. But instead of just paying that bill and then moving on to the next person, we really want to create a relationship, this holistic approach, so that we can meet them where they are and walk with them through their journey so that eventually they won't need us anymore. And that they will be out in the community giving back. So we do that through GED classes, employment support, financial support. So there's just so many different things that we can do. Free income tax services, just whatever we can do to help them get to that next place and where they want to go. They set their own goals and then we help them get there. And one of those is through our market for income support. So I would love to introduce Rachel, who is our new market manager. We're so excited to have her on staff. She's doing wonderful things in the new year with our market. So I'll turn it over to her.
So thank you so much. We're really happy everybody came out today to see us and see our new beautiful market. We're really proud of it. It's a labor of love, especially for the Mansfield community. We want to serve all of our families. As Lindsay said, we have client choice. So it's just like any other market. We'll go shopping with you, help you put healthy meals together, everything with balance. I'm also a licensed dietitian. So if you have dietary needs or restrictions, we can work with you for anything from weight management to diabetes or heart disease, any needs or issues that you have, I'm here to help assist you with. And then in addition to all of our grocery items, we have tons of fresh produce as well as frozen items. And we also have bakery, and then one of our great perks that a lot of people don't know we offer is our pet food partnership with Don't Forget to Feed Me. So even if you have pets, we don't forget about them because we love them as well. So definitely come in and see us, and we would love to take you shopping and get to know you and work with you on healthy family meals.
So what they're doing here in the pantry is really impressive, I think, and just little touches, I think, that just will make people feel comfortable as they come in. On this little end cap behind me, they have the Mission Market meals, where it's actually a recipe for a General Tso's veggie stir fry, and all of the ingredients to make this are on the end cap. So just things that feel very homey and comfortable, and like, you know, let me come in and shop here, and this is very helpful stuff. So one of the other things that Mansfield Mission is doing, they've just moved actually from this space to a larger space, is their thrift store. And their thrift store actually, what is it, 60% of
roughly
of the money that they raise in order to help these families in crisis and help these people in the community comes from that thrift store. So
yeah, and 100% of the profits go back into the community, and it's about 60% of our overall budget.
Yeah,
right. So it's really great. And then the other portions come from, of course, fundraising and community donations and partners.
Excellent. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for having us here this morning. We are actually going to hop over to the thrift store and show you a little bit over there. I have to tell you, the way that the store is organized and just, I mean, I'm going to go over there and shop.
I bought this shirt there. Yeah, before I had the name put on it. So I promise you'll find something that you really have to have.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
So we will see you over there. Here we are inside of the Mansfield Mission's thrift store. Just so you know, they are open to the public. They're open Monday through Friday from 9 to 7, on Saturdays from 9 to 5, and they are closed on Sundays. So the thrift store open to the public is one of the main ways that the mission raises money for the clients that they serve. So I encourage you to come through and check out what they have and shop here, because they've actually got some really good stuff. I'm going to be shopping before I leave here today, let me tell you. They have everything you would be needing. They've got clothing, they've got shoes, they've got toys for the kiddos, they've got housewares, and they even in this back section are starting to open a boutique where some of the higher end items that people donate in our community, where they can even charge a little more for those items because of whatever the brand name may be. So on the back side of this building, again, we're at Walnut Creek and Broad. On the back side of this building is where you can drive through with your donations. And don't be afraid to donate anything that you have, because any clothing or shoes or whatever that you may not think would be suitable to sell in the store, they actually do have a sell by the pound program where even the things that you might have that have holes in them or stained or whatever, they can still get paid for those items. And they actually take the shoe soles to a different company who basically shreds that material for the rubber that they use on the bottom of playgrounds now. So it's all very interesting. The tour that we got is just incredible. So what Mansfield Mission is doing here is an amazing thing for our community. There are so many lives that are being touched, so many people who are being helped, and all you have to do to participate is be willing to shop, be willing to donate, and also look at their website for options to volunteer as well. Thank you so much for how you help our community and you help us help our community, and have a great day.